We got the leash on Bosco. James is going to walk him. All right, James, where are we going with Bosco? Come on, Bosco, follow James.
Right there, Bosco. Right there, Bosco. Right there.
What's Bosco doing?
He's rocking around with me.
He's running away?
Yeah, with me. Bosco, come with me over here.
Call his name.
Bosco, he's pulling me. Oh, no, oh, yeah.
Don't pull him that hard, just call his name.
Bosco.
Bosco, go with James. Where are you guys going?
To the park.
To the park? Where's the park?
In the playroom.
In the playroom? All right, come on, Bosco.
Let's go to the park.
You're walking Bosco?
I went to the park right there.
Oh, yeah? What did he do at the park?
Playing together.
You guys played together?
Yeah, at the park.
Yeah? Did he have fun at the dog park?
Let's go to the park together, Mommy and Bosco and me.
Sure. Where are you guys going? Where's the park?
Over there.
All right, call him and bring him over there.
Well, he's right here. Okay. Mommy, I want to go over there. That's the door way out of the park.
That door's the way to the park?
Yeah.
Wow.
My park. So heavy. I don't afford it.